Project Research Fellows. Now that you have successfully completed your research project, it's important to upload your project on the portal so that you can share it with the world. Before we proceed with your project submission, let's see what are the important steps that you need to complete before submission. Please make sure that you have an updated profile. You should have a profile picture, or you can also use an avatar. Make sure that your name is in title case because that is the same format that would be reflected on the certificate. Link in your social media accounts because we are going to feature you after your successful project submission, and add a brief bio about yourself. Before submitting the project, you need to make sure that the course material that is associated with your research project should be complete, and also you must download your certificate and share it on the social media platform tagging your mentors to make sure that your achievement has been shared to add to your credibility. And also sharing your certificates on the social media platforms tagging your mentors will help mentors recommend you on the profiles. Now let's proceed with a project submission demo. So if you click on projects, you can simply start and submit your project. I would be taking an example here so that the steps are clear to you. You need to add a title of your project here, and you need to record your project presentation, share the file with me. I upload it on a YouTube channel and share back an embed code with you that you can use here to submit under overview. Now comes the part where you have to submit your raw data and your annotated data. Now, how do you upload your data? So you need to go to lesson number 3 of course 9, that is how to design a bioinformatics research project. And in this particular lesson, you will get a stepwise guidelines of how you have to submit your dataset on Dataverse. So just create an account for yourself, and it's very easy to add a dataset, and your dataset should be in CSV or XLS. Once your dataset has been uploaded on the Dataverse site, you can simply copy the link of your dataset and paste it here under the datasets domain. Then comes the abstract. The abstract of your project should include the background, methods, results, and conclusion in a very brief manner. And then comes the introduction. Now, the introduction involves why your topic is important, where is it used, what are the applications of the project that you worked on, what are your objectives, and overview of the rest of your project work. Now comes the next part that includes the methodology. So in the methodology, you need to mention about the dataset, that is a repository from which data was obtained, the type of data, number of samples for each class, the processing of data, etc. You could also mention the study design, methodology for each analysis, where you need to explain what tool, method, criteria, or parameters were used for each analysis. You can also include screenshots of pipelines that you run for any of the analysis with parameters, and include graphs, equations, pictures, etc. as a result. Now, the next thing is results. In the results, you need to mention the state objective of the study, include flowchart of overall study, include relevant observations or results or measurements and statistics. And in the discussion part, you need to give an overview of the problem that you addressed in the current study, what you accomplished or addressed, discuss your key results, find relevant literature associated with your key findings, and the conclusive part of your study. Also add the limitations of your study and future directions. And finally, you need to conclude your project, give a proper conclusion, and add references to whatever literature you reviewed. And don't forget to add the acknowledgement where you need to mention about the mentors that were associated with your project. After adding all the fields required, you need to click on Save and submit the project for review. We will review the project and then get back to you for any of the changes required. So that is how you can submit your project on the Omics Logic Learn portal.